நாகர்கோவிலில் காங்கிரஸ் கமிட்டியின் பொதுச் செயலாளர் முகுல் வாஸ்னிக் செய்தியாளர்களை சந்தித்து பேசினார். கடந்த 5 ஆண்டுகளில் பிரதமர் மோடி நாட்டு மக்களை மிகுந்த வேதனைக்கு ஆளாக்கினார் என்று குற்றம் சாட்டினார்.
Narendra Modi, before becoming Prime Minister and Chief Minister, was a pracharak of the RSS. Pracharak of the RSS means a man propagating the ideals of the Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh. The Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh does not believe in the Constitution of India. The RSS does not believe in the idea of India as enshrined in the Constitution of India. They believe in Hindu Rashtra. Hindu Rashtra has no place in the Constitution of India, and therefore Modi, to fulfill his vision of a Hindu Rashtra, will have to deal with the Constitution of India. The Constitution of India is faced with a challenge from Narendra Modi. We will do everything possible at our command to see that nobody is able to touch the Constitution of India, and we will fight till the very end and see that nobody is able to remove and destroy the Constitution of India. So there are these two visions of India, one which Gandhi, Nehru, Sardar Patel, Maulana Azad and Dr. Ambedkar and Kamraj had believed in, and the other idea of India is that of Hedgewar, Golwalkar and Mohan Bhagwat and Narendra Modi and no less than Nathuram Godse himself. So these are the things which are there before the people. I am sure that the people of Tamil Nadu will come up in large numbers and back the Congress and the DMK and the alliance partner candidates in these elections, and we are confident of getting their support to get all the 39 seats elected in this state.
You are traveling throughout the country. How is the people's mindset in this election? According to you?
See, so far about 91 seats have gone to polls on the 11th of this month, and I can say, because I come from Vidarbh area of Maharashtra, there was a massive turnout in favor of the Congress party and the NCP and our alliance candidates, and I can say for sure that India is now getting ready to throw the government which is there at the center today. We will see a new government when the counting will take place. See, I told you that not now, not after we have announced our candidates and finally decided on the seat sharing and the nitty-gritty of the alliance, but for the last more than a year and a half, or you can say that immediately after the assembly elections were held, we could see that there was a sea change in the attitude of the people of Tamil Nadu, and we could see that overwhelming support has been to the alliance of the Congress party and the DMK, and we are very confident that there will be a complete sweep.